But just thinking big, even 5 years in the future, 10 years in the future, what are we going to be left with when we do have a president who can hopefully no longer serve in the Constitution? Can't, yes. What are we going to do to rebuild our civil service?
Great. I love that word, rebuild, because I'm already thinking about that. I'm not waiting for this administration to end. I'm not waiting for the election next year to end. I'm thinking, like, we are going to have an agency that's in charge of international development on behalf of the U.S. in the future. It may be called the Agency for International Development on behalf of the U.S. But it is a necessary thing for the United States to be out in the world and competing with China about who's going to be helping the world develop. We're going to understand that we need that, and so that's going to come back in some form. I would work with all my colleagues to make that happen. We're going to have to start rebuilding. We can't wait until next year. And as I said earlier, it's very difficult because we are Congress and the courts are moving as fast as Congress and the courts have ever moved, and it's not fast enough for you all, for many of you all. It may be just fine for some of you, probably not. I know at least 35% of the people in the district. So, but we can't wait for that. We have to start rebuilding now. We have to do our own job of talking up the value of public service. I just met with managers of the AmeriCorps programs. The president eliminated funding for AmeriCorps. Big AmeriCorps. The president eliminated the funding. He didn't eliminate AmeriCorps. It's still on the books. It's still on the books. We're not going to eliminate AmeriCorps, but we're going to have to rebuild it. And I'm looking at a lot of agencies that way, but I should. Nothing about this is final where I come from, where I sit. Nothing about this is final. I just have a lot more things on my to-do list than I had on January 20th, or on November 7th, or whatever the election day was. I said I was going to work on transportation, fighting fentanyl in our communities, and expanding Medicare, prescription drug coverage, and fighting the environment. Well, I got a lot of other things on the list now too, and I'm going to fight for all of them.